news just hit. And I'm trying to catch retracements. Trying to see how far we going down. News hit on US pairs, but them percentages as low as I don't know what they about to make me do is one of these 3 or 4 minute joints on the buy though. See if we can catch a little something on the way up. We're gonna leave it at that. Took an L on one of them. Oh, we gonna keep going down. I got you. Oh, I got you. I'm about to risk the whole thing. We out. Got to. I see it coming. If it don't, it's ugly, but I see it coming. Mm-hmm. See what we can do. See what we can do, baby. Bye-bye. Come here. Euro GBP, I didn't realize they was hitting too, but that's
what I'm saying. How did all of them hit like that though?
So I don't know, but I'm recording now though, but I gotta bet my whole account. So hopefully it go.
It looks like it's going up.
So far, yeah. So far, so good. So far, so good. I still got 2 minutes 57 seconds left though. Yep. So we're gonna see y'all. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully it'll work out in your boy's favor. Cause that's what we need to happen out here in these streets. You dig? Normally I'd be doing 2 minutes, but I didn't feel like it was gonna be enough. So now we're just gonna have to see what the market wanna give you, boy. Cause what I do see though is this is a downtrend. This could potentially be a pullback. Ew. Kind of ugly, but hopefully not. Hopefully we retrace and keep green. Stay green. You feel me? Go ahead and go on push on up here, at least somewhere in here. I can't get happy until we get up in here. See, because he's moving too much. Oh, he coming down heavy. It's ugly. Oh, he coming down ugly. Boy. And your boy get another retrace. Too close to my entries. Yeah, there you go. Go on back. Oh, it's ugly. This next candle, that candle pushing heavy. Let's see. You want to stay up? I'll push back up. There you go. Get on back up there. It's the longest 40-something seconds of my whole life. On 30 seconds. Come on, push on up. No. I got some of them. Last 20 seconds. Come on. Hang on in there. Ooh. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, come on, 2, 1, and let's go. Big risk, big rewards, baby. Let's go. Man, look, God is good. And retracements every time. Y'all know what I gotta do. Y'all know what I gotta do. This is crazy. 619. Got 20. Let's go. $1,000 already. God is good, man. Holla at your boy. Let's get it.